Can you get exceptional graphic design work on Upwork? Today we're about to find out. I need a logo designed, so I'm gonna hop onto Upwork, pick out a few freelance graphic designers and hire them to create a logo for this particular new course that I'm about to launch. And then we'll get to see the results together and see if any of them are great enough that I actually end up using them in real life. You've probably seen me do this on Fiverr, but today we're checking out Upwork just to change things up a little bit. Let's just dive right into it. All right, so here I am on Upwork, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a job. This is a little bit different from when you see me order things on Fiverr. In Fiverr, you usually browse the creators, and then if you see one you like, you go ahead and place the order. Here, I actually post the job as if it's like a job posting on LinkedIn or something and let people bid on it. And then I write a description about what the project actually is. A little bit of a background on this creative brief. I'm launching a new course called Agency Kickstart. It's all about how to build a successful video production business from the ground up. It's really focused on the business side of things, and it's something I have to tell you I know really well because I've owned my own video production company for almost 15 years, and I've learned a lot, and I'm gonna share it with people through this course. So that is the focus of this logo design. So in my description, I'm making sure to point the potential creators to my website, JennJager.com, so they can get a look at the other creative elements I already have with my brand, so they can make sure that their concepts align with my existing brand. All right, now that I've done all that, I just have to sit and wait for people to apply. Okay, it's the next day. I have gone back and forth with a few of these Upwork creators about their pricing, maybe a little bit about their creative vision. In total, I got 7 proposals in a day, and of those 7, I selected 3 I wanted to work with. I'm really excited about the 3 designers I chose. I feel like Upwork does a better job of presenting these designers than Fiverr. With Fiverr, it just feels a little bit more like a scramble for creators to get gigs. Whereas on Upwork, I felt like I got to know the creator a lot better. Just like the whole interface feels more professional and more like you're really hiring someone for a job as opposed to buying a product on a website. So I'm really excited to see what these designs look like. I'm gonna have to wait probably about a week, but you get to check it out right now. Okay, guys, it's been about a week and I've already gotten my logo designs back from these Upwork designers. We're going to take a look at them together. The first designer was this gentleman here named Alex. And I have to confess that Alex did email me with some logo concepts right away. So he and I did have a little bit of a discussion with the first 4 original concepts, which looked like this. And so I did give him some direction after I saw these initial designs. So let's see what he delivered next. Okay, here are the logo options he delivered. And I think these are super fun and eye-catching. And so I'm not mad at this at all. I think I prefer of these 3 looks, the green text. What do you guys think? Do you like the green text on this? I think it just pops the most. And when I think about the design of the JennJager.com website, I feel like this green text is going to stand out more than anything else on that site. So I'm really happy with this logo design. I'm interested to hear what you guys think. All right, let's move on to the next creator. She was someone I was super excited about hiring based on her portfolio. I just thought that her portfolio was stunning and that she was really going to be able to hit the nail on the head for what I was looking for. I haven't looked at these designs yet, so we're going to see them for the first time together. Let's take a look. Okay, I can see right away that she has delivered 2 versions of the same logo, just with these different color options. Interesting. Let me open up here. It's interesting, this font, how the top of the S is cropped off as well as the top of the C. And this sort of rounded edge of the R is also cropped off. She's got a man running with a suitcase that has a play button on it and a target sign, a light bulb for ideas. This icon to me indicates growth, and that to me indicates video. Let's look at the other color option, which I also don't mind. I think what I'm kind of disappointed about with this design is that I'm clearly a woman in the production field, and to have a man running as my logo, it just doesn't really resonate with me. I'd really prefer something that was genderless entirely. My course is not for women, but it's not just for men either. And I'm a big believer that women can succeed in male dominated industries. And this designer wouldn't know that. But to be honest with you, as a woman, I'm kind of surprised this is what she delivered to me. So I don't think this is going to be my winning logo for that reason. Kind of a letdown considering she was the designer I was most excited about. All right, we've got one more designer here. Let's take a look. I have not seen anything from this designer, and I see here that he's delivered to me 3 different logos. Let's check them out. This is interesting. For our first concept, he has given me a multi-page PDF where I can see what the white version of the logo would look like, what the black version over a white background would look like, and different color options over different colored backgrounds. This feels so professional to me. In all the times that I've ordered imagery, logo design, or anything else on Fiverr or now here on Upwork, I've never had someone deliver such a complete package of options where I'm seeing the logo over multiple backgrounds with multiple color options and over an actual photograph so I could see what it would look like over a more complex image. I'm really impressed with this designer's professionalism. So I think that's really good. All right, let's look at the other designs. I can't wait to see. This one I think is a little less fun, a little less creative, but again, he delivered all of the different, color combination options on different backgrounds. But I don't think that the concept is as fun. It feels very linear, very just like a lot of straight lines. The font is kind of dull. All right, let's move on to the third one. I like this one too. I love that he's got the camera icon framing the text. He's got the film strip look here on the A. I think this is creative and interesting, but I will say I don't feel like these designs are really fun and fit with my personal brand as well, and that they're really gonna pop so much on my website. I feel like my website has a lot of gradients, and so I think I have to say that the green text logo option from Alex is my winner. What do you guys think about that? Do you guys like this logo? I think it's really cool, but I really appreciate what all of these designers did. It's not easy creating a logo concept for someone you've never met face to face and just based off a brief description of what they're looking for. So if you want to order any designs yourself on Upwork, I'll link to it down below so you can get to it really easily. I thank all of these designers for all their hard work. Agency Kickstart is getting ready to launch at JennJager.com. Head on over to JennJager.com if you want to sign up for notifications so you know when it drops and growing your video production business. You guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you thought this was fun, let me know in the comments. Let me know what your favorite logo design was. I picked out some other videos I know you're going to love, and I'll see you again.